Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. I think it's time for an update because price reached our target or resistance area here now that we've had on the chart for probably a couple of weeks or so. Here when we hit this new swing low on the 10th of June, I think we brought that on the chart in the next video afterwards, this resistance area here. In the last video, I think we were still fairly quite far away from that resistance area, which is between the 23.6 retracement and the 50% retracement level. Here between 6.6 cents and 7.9. And the idea was that in this wave 4, okay, so we're currently dealing here with a corrective pullback in a larger ending diagonal to the downside. That's at least the primary scenario and primary expectation. The idea was to get there, yeah. And as long as we stay below 7.9 cents, we should be watching for a reaction to the downside in a fifth wave. And we've now approached that resistance area. We have broken briefly above the 23.6 retracement level at 6.6 cents. We're basically now there again because we've lost again. And what I highlighted in one of the previous videos was this trend line. We talked about that before anyway. And that it could very well be that off this low, price is going to go up to hit the trend line, retest it, and this is really a moment of truth now. Because I would say, yes, we have a Fibonacci retracement area, and really only above 7.9 cents. This wave 4 gets a bit stronger than it would be ideal. But it would already be, I think, a break above this trend line, which is pretty much very well defined. A break above that trend line would have some bullish implications potentially. Now, what can I say? We are below the trend line. We had a bearish reaction. We are in resistance. Yeah, so we haven't broken resistance to the upside. And we only have a corrective wave structure to the upside. Cannot see anything bullish here at this stage while I record the video. You know that things can change quickly in crypto. And if I see a break above 7.9 cents, I think we would have to consider more bullish options. I mean, we are considering them. I've got an alternative wave 2 low in place here already, but that's only the alternative wave count, not really my primary. The primary count would suggest another low, but obviously I'm open to the idea that the low could be in. That's why we've got the alternative wave 2 correction, yeah, that we basically rallied in a wave 1 to the October high, and that we've come down in a very complex correction in a wave 2. But it's not reliable, it's not likely in my opinion. I have no evidence, right? Analysis always needs to be based on evidence. What would be the evidence that it has bottomed? Nothing, okay? Nothing other than some bullish implications on the Bitcoin chart. But then look at this entire chart here. Bitcoin has very well outperformed Doge over the recent months. So from that point of view, there isn't really anything, not even the Bitcoin chart can help us here, okay? So we just need a bit of patience, and either we get one more low and that wave 5 to the downside has started, would be confirmed when we break below that swing low at 5.8 cents here, the 14th of June low. If we form 5 waves, and it would in my opinion only be possible as a diagonal, so at least one more high I would like to see, then we could be looking at a possible bullish breakout pattern. Structurally, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, one more high could give us a wave 5. Yeah, then we have at least a possible leading diagonal complete in a wave 1. Then we can look at an ABC pullback. We get a bit of a long trade setup there. But it would, if we do not get a break above resistance, it is less reliable. But it would certainly be at least a very first sign for the bulls. Yeah. But it would need, in my opinion, another high in a wave 5 of 1. Alright, that's my update about Doge. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.